Ever wondered what actually happens when you melt down a dozen basic store-bought candles? Most people just see a pile of old, wasted wax, but we're about to turn this everyday clutter into something absolutely incredible. You seriously won't believe the transformation that's about to happen. First, we're liquefying every single piece, watching the colors blend, and then carefully pouring the molten wax into this unique, handcrafted ceramic mold. This is the exact moment where the magic starts to take shape. But don't let the calm fool you. The next part of the process is where things get incredibly intense. Now for the most satisfying, yet nerve-wracking part of the entire build. To reveal the masterpiece hidden inside, we have to carefully crack away the outer shell. It's a total gamble. One wrong move or just one hit a little too hard, and the entire project is shattered. Let's hold our breath and see if we actually nailed the execution. Just look at that! A stunning, one-of-a-kind, custom giant candle. We literally took basic, cheap wax and upcycled it into a high-end treasure that looks like it belongs in a luxury boutique. The texture and the finish are just flawless. So, be honest, would you actually be brave enough to try this at home? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.